Hakasngi nyngkong ke arpu tarik Jylliew hajar arpu Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Meghalaya Conrad Sangma ryngkat ke jingsynran lang jong MLA ke thain Mawsynram Bah Hima Shangpliang ke Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills District ke Kong Isawanda Laloo bat kiwei ki ophisar sorkar hiar ki.shnong Dangar bat Kenmynsaw kiba Mawsynram Constituency ban iakynduh iing ke du no kiba ieit bat thoiñ ki jingjia shlei bat khyndew ke belajar kini ki khendiat sngi baladem. Hakate ke jinglik jengo jong Myntri Rangbah ula yoru ban ai ke pisa ke basau lak tengka ki Jylliew iing ki balang ngat hakate ke jingjia ke basngosi. Conrad Sangma ula kularu ki brio ketika thain baka sorkar mentaka Dangar ban maramot ki sainar elektrik kenang baon la sasisen pat ban wanra ke boarding hakite ki jaka. Hakaju ke por ula yathu ru baki bor badipet ki Dangar kat bala baon pendep ke jingsynran ki tower mobile ki beladu no ke jingjur slap ke bala jashen. Hakate ke jinglet jengo jong ki ki.shnong Myntri Rangbah ulai kendu ru ki bor penyat shnong ban syak skor ki jinge ki baki brio ki iakynduh khamtam kini ki khendiat si ki baladem.
That was there.
Small children and our sister who lost her life. I first of all would express my deepest condolences to all of you for the demise and the death of the little children and of your daughter and of your younger sister. It was a very tragic incident that happened, and on behalf of the government, we are all here to share your sorrow and also to support in whatever way possible to help all of you get through this very, very difficult time. From the government side, as has been mentioned by the Honorable MLA, that there is an ex gratia amount of 4 lakhs per deceased, which will be amounting to total of 20 lakhs. And the BDO will sit with all of you, the family members, and decide on how we should move forward. But the sanction from the government side has been done, and we will be giving the sanction letter to you.